Welcome. If you want to change your background in the profile on PlayStation 5, at the first you have to grab your controller and then move to the right upper corner, then enter our profile. Next we have to switch to edit profile right here and then simply go for the cover image. Enter, and right now just click to select the image. And I would like to take this picture, so click, move to the select. And then when we are in the left corner, as you can see, we can zoom, rotate or position. So let's go for the position, and then we can simply just take maybe this part of the picture, then click done, move for the save. And after a few moments, as you can see, our background in the profile has changed. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!